Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Well, go on, my people. Skilla there again once more now. Big up and respect to each and everyone, is it? Alright, my people. So, a musician who goes by the name of Fitzroy Simpson, also known as Bunny or Bunny Diamond, who is a member of the Mighty Diamonds, had passed away on the 1st of April, the year 2022. Yes, I got information that another member of the group that is known as the Mighty Diamonds had died. Now, according to one news article, I got the understanding that he passed away at a hospital that is located somewhere in the country of Jamaica. And I read more than one news article that did not mention exactly how and where he passed away. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, Bunny Diamond or Fitzroy Simpson passed away days after another member of the Mighty Diamonds had been shot and killed in St. Andrew, Jamaica, sometime within the month of March, the year 2022. The group that is known as the Mighty Diamonds or Mighty Diamonds is one of the longest group, if not the longest group of musicians that stick together and do music within a country that is known as Jamaica. So I say, the music industry really and truly lost another icon. So I say, my people. So I just make you know what go on, alright? Just make you know what go on. Alright? So I move on to another topic. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show two females who had been accused of stealing food items from a business establishment that is located somewhere in the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that one of those females was carrying a handbag filled with stolen food items. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe with me. Observe.
Big woman like you.
I look good. I think they are that man. I'm team right there for the picture. I want to talk about facility.
You don't keep it.
Sorry.
Seasoning.
You think say me could have go make my place?
What side? It's a serious. It's a serious. It's a 30 year in prison.
Then they must say
People, may I tell you the truth, it's kind of embarrassing in my point of view. And on me, it happened to. Come know say that not happened to me, but it's embarrassing, you know, because you know if you see two big women find themselves somehow in a situation like that, it just look away, my people. You see me I say? Yeah man, you know. Right away me start I wonder what go on. I wonder if you know me like financial difficulties and all them things. Cause they want to say certain things certain ways. You see me I say me don't like to see nobody go through certain things. Not as if me totally rich can maneuver every single thing like a millionaire. No, I am not. But me still no want to see nobody go through certain things. Sometimes I wonder why you have some persons out there do certain things like this situation right here. So me I say, yeah, me I talk about like stealing, shoplifting and them things there. See me? Oh boy. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright, so I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that Will Smith has resigned from the Oscars Academy after slapping the comedian who goes by the name of Chris Rock on stage last Sunday at the Oscars award ceremony. So may I say, viewers and subscribers, now one of those news articles that I read said that Will Smith said that his actions at the 94th Academy Awards presentation were shocking, painful, and inexcusable. What a way to put it, eh? Inexcusable. Now, more than one news articles said other things that those news articles claim that Will Smith said, no, viewers and subscribers. So I say, but you see me now, when I think about this whole situation, I say to myself, but wait, Will Smith just resigned from the academy just like that? I start to wonder if he really and truly genuinely feels sorry for what he had done. I also wonder if he is ready to step away from this whole acting world. I started to wonder if he think he's in a certain position that him don't really and truly need to be with this whole Oscar award thing. All kind of thing me start think, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, because if I remember clearly, right, there was a big show in Jamaica that is known as a Sting, a yearly show, an annual show. At some point, you have some entertainers who didn't want to perform at Sting unless they get certain amount of money from the promoter, producer from Sting. You understand me? So, me don't know. Sometimes, maybe entertainers or musicians or even actors might feel like, it's time for me to evolve. Anyways, another part of this news article said that the actor said that he wanted to put focus back on those who deserve attention for their achievements. Another part of the news article said that he concluded that change takes time, and when he said I am, it means him. You see me? News article said that he said change takes time, and I am committed to doing the work to ensure that I never again allow violence to overtake reason. Well, I could see what going down the line then, no? Anyways, my people, just I make you know what going is. I say, read a couple news articles well that gave me the understanding that Will Smith resigns or resigned from the Oscars Academy. You see me? Yes, I'm gonna left it. So let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about. Until next time, I'm in Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see?